Welcome back. We've got the Spartacus Gladiator up on the rack. The factory exhaust is out, and now we're looking to put something in, something with some big sound to match that big lift and those big tires. What did we go with? We're going with an aFe Power 3-inch to dual 2.5-inch 304 stainless steel catback exhaust system. It's right down here. Check this out. So this is it. This is the aFe Power 304 stainless steel catback exhaust system. We go from a 3-inch single pipe to dual 2.5-inch tailpipes at the back end of the Gladiator. And this is all you need. It comes with everything you need. Now we just have to lay it all out to see how it's going to go underneath the Jeep. So let's get to it. So there it is, all laid out. We can now start assembling it. We do need to pull this ball clamp off of the factory exhaust. Just reach in with the screwdriver, bend this little tab up and out of the way. So on a project with this many pieces, it's often great to just do it in sections. And we will be using the OE exhaust mounts. Now we're not going to tighten all the clamps up completely. We're just going to snug them up, kind of to help hold everything in place while we get the rest of the system in. So with the exhaust hanging there, now we can go from end to end, tightening all the clamps, adjusting, making sure the exhaust is all tucked up out of the way and there's no wires or hoses, anything like that, touching the exhaust. So now all we have left to do is to bolt on our dual tips. These are black to keep with the muted theme of the Spartacus Gladiator build, but you can also get these in a polished stainless version. So last things last, we just got to get the spare tire heat shield back in place, and then we can go for a test drive and see how this aFe exhaust sounds. All right, here we go, accelerating. for the aFe power exhaust in the Gladiator JT. You'll find a link down below where you can get your own aFe exhaust for your Gladiator JT at Northridge4x4. What'd you think? Do you have an exhaust on your Gladiator yet? Leave us a comment down below. Tell us what you're running. If not, you might take a close look at these aFe power units. Really nice units. Until next time, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thanks, Northridge Nation.